Hello everybody. In this video we're going to look at how you can share photographs or videos of practical activities that you might be completing at home. We'll be looking at the two main ways that you can do this, either by using a smartphone or tablet or by using a computer or laptop. First of all, we look at how you can use your smartphone or tablet to do it. Before getting started, it might be an idea for you to download the J2E app onto your smartphone or tablet. Once you've downloaded the app and opened it, you must click on the hub symbol and use your normal hub login to gain access to the app. So once you've taken a picture or video, you'll need to upload it into your My Files area. To do this, log in to Hub on the same device that you took the picture or video on. Don't forget you must click on the hub symbol and use your normal hub login. If you don't have the app, you should be able to log in via the internet through Safari or any other app that you would normally use to gain access to the internet. Once in, click on My Files. Within My Files, you'll then need to click on Upload Files and allow the app to have access to your camera roll or pictures. Click on Upload, select the picture or video that you'd like to upload, and give the app time to upload the video. Once that's done, click on My Files to check that the file is there. Then click on the I to rename the file using an appropriate name, and then drag the file into the Work from Home folder that your teacher has prepared for you. Now we'll take a quick look at how you can do the same process on your computer or laptop. First of all, you need to access Hub. You will then need to upload your picture or video to your computer or laptop as you normally would. Then within Hub, open J2E. Go into My Files. And the easiest way then to upload your file is by drag and drop. Simply click on the image or video that you wanted to upload and drag it into your My Files area. Make sure you've chosen an appropriate file name for it, and then drag and drop into the appropriate file, which is your Work from Home folder. And that's that.